Why did you start raising parakeets? I mean, canaries.
Well, I had a parakeet for years, and it died of cancer, and I was real upset. And the vet said, why don't you get a canary next time? And he said, get one male canary, just one. Don't get it a mate. So I got one male canary, and it was boring. So I got it a mate, and the rest is history. Let's see. And I just got involved in showing these birds, and it's just fun, so this is my hobby now. Let's see. Nothing empty here. There's this little pen light, and there's the eggs. And notice how I go underneath, and I shine it through there? This one might be infertile, I'm not sure. This one looks dense. This one definitely looks good. I think they're all for a break, and so I had to. There we go. Now here's the card where I announced when they were laid and when they're due to hatch. And then I'm going to check them off as probably fertile. That doesn't prove they're going to hatch, but if they were really clear.
How many chicks do you think you're going to have this season?
Well, I can show you the results so far. They're all in an Excel spreadsheet. Well, let me back away so she'll get back on. This is my files. Actually, I need to add some more. These are the band numbers I've banded so far. Band numbers of the parents. See, band number, father, mother, hatch date. Aluminum seamless bands. So you have to slip them on when the chicks are a certain size. And if you do it when they're too small, it falls off.
Right.
If you wait too long, the foot's too thick and you can't get it on. So it has to be slipped on usually day 6 or 7. This is the water slogger bands. These are the American Singer bands. I've got more in the drawer, but the string's almost empty. See, this string was full. Monday or Tuesday, we're going to have maybe 3 babies hatch. Eating without any food. You actually able to get this close? See, they're in the baby nest still. Watch out, you guys. I'm feeding them. But I know what to eat. I just need to.